Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to clear Google Drive photo storage. So guys, as you can see here, click on Drive on your device, and here as you can see here, and after that guys, click my Drive and click on Type. As you can see here, this is photo and image. In my case guys, I don't have any photo, as you can see here. If you have photo guys on your storage drive, click just like here, select here and click on move to trash. My case, I don't have any photo guys. I see that. As you can see here, just click select and delete to trash, and here. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content. And any question guys down below and comment here, and I will happy to answer your question. See you soon. Keep watching guys.